Today I will be explaining to you what a digital agenda is and how to use it. In order to go into your digital agenda, you must first go to Edmodo. Once you're on Edmodo, you go to your class period that you want to go to. Once you're here on the top left-hand corner, there is a button for folders. You click on that and folders will appear. You notice how there are several folders. The folder you're looking for is English 10 Digital Agendas. When you open the digital agenda, there will be several types because we have one for each week. Here's the digital agenda for this week, which is January 15th through the 17th. In the digital agenda, there is things we call do now. We do a do now every time we come into class in the beginning. Each day is set for what she asked for. On January 15th, she asked if you could go back to one specific day of winter break, which day would you go back to and what would you do differently? Now, the concept of this is to come straight into class, click on this, and we know what to do. We don't have to ask our teachers any questions. Also, in the digital agenda, there are standards, because in everything we do in class, there's a reason for it. Like, for instance, if we're learning on a subject for a whole 1 week, there'll be a standards for them. For example, the standards for here is TBD, to be determined. There is not really a standard for this week, but there are assignments. As you get lower into the digital agenda, there are 3 different stations. We have a small group direct instruction, which is when the teacher talks to us and gives us assignments. We have collaborative station, where we work with each other to do projects. Last, we have individual online learning. What that is it's an independent station where we do our own work and nobody could tell us anything because we do it at our own pace. This can be very helpful because it tells you what to do day by day, and it makes it much easier throughout the whole week. This is how you use a digital agenda and what it's used for.